Good morning friends. In this video we are going to see about Prashna. So we have classified Prashna into two types. One is Prashna which is happening in minutes or hours, and other is Prashna happening in days, weeks or month. So in days category we have seen one Prashna. Now this Prashna comes under the category of minutes or hours. So before going into the video, I request viewers to subscribe and also press the bell button and select all notifications so that you will get notified whenever we post the video. So now let's go to the Prashna. Here the question is, a person has lost her mobile who was attended our Hyderabad class, and she was asking, will I get my mobile? So first, the question date is 22/12/2019 and the time is 4:28 p.m. So first we have to calculate the Lagna. 22 minus 15, 7, 7 minus 1, 6, 6 into 4, 24. So subtracting 24 minutes from 8, you will get 7:36. So 7:36, Dhanur Lagna will be over. 9:36, Capricorn. 11:36, Aquarius. 1:36, Pisces. 3:36, Aries. So 3:36 to 5:36, it is Taurus. The question time is 4:28, so which is 13 degrees in Rishabha. So now we have some 7 steps for analyzing a Prasana. We will go as per that. First step is, the question should be reflected in natural zodiac. Here the Lagna is Taurus. Here the question is, will I get back my mobile? Will I obtain? Everything comes under second house. So Lagna is also 2. And also Lagna Lord is Venus, one of the Karaka for mobile. Mercury, Venus are both the Karaka. Whenever it comes to higher type of communication, the smartphones, we will include Venus also. So first step, the question is clearly indicated. Now the second step, Lagna should indicate the question. In this, Lagna and Lagna star lord. Here Venus and Moon. Venus is the lord of 1 and 6 in 9. Moon is the lord of 3 in 6. So 3 and 9. Communication, higher type of communication is 9th house. So it is indicated in the second step also. Now third step, Moon should reflect the question. Moon is the lord of 3 in 9, in 6. So 3, communication, again it is indicated. It is in the constellation of Rahu. That is in the second house. So acquiring, that is also indicated. And Moon is conjoined with Mars, lord of 7 and 12 and 6. And no planets are aspecting Moon. Now 3 steps, the question is clearly indicated. So the urge is very high and the question is genuine. Now fourth step, there should be a connection between Lagna, Lagna star lord and 311 lords. Here Lagna and Lagna star lord is one group and 311 lords are other group. Here the Lagna and Lagna star lord is Venus, Moon. 311 lords are Moon and Jupiter. So Moon is appearing in both the sides. So there is a connection between Lagna, Lagna star lord and 311 lords. So we can proceed to the question. Now the fifth step, the relative distance between Lagna and Lagna star lord have to be found out. Here Lagna is Venus, star lord is Moon. From Venus to Moon it is 10 houses. From Moon to Venus it is 4 houses. 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means we will write it as Kendra. So Kendra means the answer is yes and it will happen immediately. So we can assure the person that don't worry, you will get your mobile. That is the first assurance we can give to the person. Since we are calculating one by one and to explain this, it is taking a lot of time. But doing mentally, we can answer in few seconds. Now, sixth step. There are certain rules for each prashna that should indicate whether you will get it or not. Now, this is a missing object. There are a lot of rules for missing objects. Not a lot of rules, actually some 5 to 10 rules. So we will see one of them in this chart. Whenever we proceed, we will explain with charts the other rules which you have missed, which are not explained in this post. Here, Lagna and 7th Lord, there should be a connection between ascendant and 7th Lord. Here, the ascendant is, that is the Lagna is Venus, 7th Lord is Mars. So Mars is aspecting Venus, the Lagna Lord, and is also aspecting the Lagna. So there is a connection between Lagna and 7th Lord. So we can surely say she will get the mobile, and the answer is yes. So now we have confirmed the question is correct, and we can proceed to the prashna, and she will get the mobile. Now the next question is when, the timing of event. Here, whenever the Lagna Lord is placed next to Sun, that is second house to Sun, and also the Karaka planet, the event will happen immediately. Here, the Lagna Lord is Venus, and is also one of the Karaka planet. It is placed in second house to Sun, so the event will happen very quickly. This is one of the rules to find out whether event will happen or not quickly. So this we have explained in our previous post that we will update in the coming videos. This is one of the rule. So in Lagna we have got Kendra, and here also the Lagna Lord and Karaka planet, one of the Karaka planet is placed in second house to Sun. So we can say the event will happen in few minutes, very quickly. So for the events which is going to happen very quickly, we will move just the Lagna. Generally for missing objects, we will take the 4th house and go to 311 lots for that. Here it is Sun, and for that 3rd house is Venus, and 11th house is Mercury. But that is also we have mentioned in the above post. We will see those examples also in the next videos. But here things are very quick, so we will use the Lagna and 311 lots. The Lagna Lord is Venus. Saturn and Ketu are in the constellation of Venus, and Saturn and Ketu are in the 8th house, so we will eliminate them straight away. 3rd Lord is Moon. No planets are in the constellation of Moon. And the 11th Lord is Jupiter. Mars is in the constellation of Jupiter. Jupiter is also in the 8th house. We will eliminate it. Mars is the 12th Lord. We will also eliminate it. So we are left out with Venus and Moon. So now we have to move the Lagna to Moon and Venus. Now the Lagna is already in Moon constellation, so we have to move it to Venus Upagraha. The Lagna Lord is also Venus. So in Venus, Lagna, Moon Nakshatra and Venus Upagraha, she will get the mobile. Now from 336, the Rishabha Lagna is starting. So the first 10 degrees is Sun's constellation. That is up to 4:16 it will be Sun constellation, 40 minutes, 10 degrees. After that 4:16 to 4:20 Moon, 4:20 to 4:24 Moon Mars, 4:24 to 4:32 Moon Rahu, 4:32 to 4:40 Moon Jupiter, 4:40 to 4:48 Moon Saturn, 4:48 to 4:56 Moon Mercury, 4:56 to 5 Moon Ketu, 5 to 5:08 Moon Venus. So she got the mobile on 5:04 or 5:03 around the time PM. So this is how we have to arrive at the timing of event. Generally, we can say the stolen object is misplaced or stolen, who has stolen, and where it is kept, and how much distance it is kept, at what height it is kept. Those are things we are not covering here. Since we don't have time, the video will be very much longer, so we will update them in the coming videos. So if you have any doubts in this video, you can comment. Whenever you have doubts, if you are posting in WhatsApp, we will take some 1 week to answer it. In the weekends we will reply to that. Comments we will reply in maximum 3-4 days. Thanks for your continued support. Take care. Bye.